with the nation of Kenya. We pray that there will be an excellent turnout. We also pray, Father, for responsibilities for those that are connected in everything. Because last time as we cried out as a people of Baltimore, Baltimore has not done things like any other state or any other city. When we had the cry of the people of Kenya, we got together and we did as much as we could to help in that cry. The cry was over, and we continued to do everything we were able to do as God helped us to do. I remember we got together and there was diaspora for peace, and the churches came back and they gathered together, and we did as much as we could as a people of Baltimore. And now as a people of Baltimore, we are coming back in one voice. Just one voice. Don't look at the person next and say, no, you're coming as one voice. You represent whoever you represent and what you represent because God wanted you here. We are not saying that whoever is not here, God didn't want them here. They are strategically positioned elsewhere and they are doing the same thing. I believe each and every person right here in Baltimore is thinking about this particular prayer even now, even as we speak. They may be in other meetings, but they are remembering. But as much as they are agreeing, we know that we are together. And together we shall